Panic has gripped President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government as heavily armed riot police, water cannon trucks, and plainclothes intelligence officers were deployed across Harare and other major cities ahead of a planned national shutdown today, called by former ZANU-PF Central Committee member and Liberation War veteran Blessed Gesa. Sanapenda mashoka current situation iri kuonekwa kuitika the Harare CBD. Don't subscribe or like on the bell. Kuchibina on mobile wa Mchinzi Gesa was expelled from the ruling party earlier this year for denouncing Mnangagwa's leadership. He has in recent months emerged as a fierce critic of the government, accusing the president of corruption, authoritarianism, and betrayal of the liberation struggle. His latest call for mass protests, dubbed the final push, has sent shockwaves through state corridors, with authorities fearing a repeat of the violent January 2019 demonstrations that paralyzed the country. In a statement released last night, police spokesperson Commissioner Ponyat urged the citizens to disregard Gesa's call for demonstrations and assure the public the law enforcement has been placed on high alert. In quotes, the public must go about their duties as usual, as law enforcement agents have been deployed countrywide to ensure peace, said Commissioner Nyati. All essential services such as schools, public transport, businesses, and government institutions will be running smoothly. The public must not be intimidated by social media threats or misinformation. Witnesses in Harare reported heavy police presence at key intersections including Africa Unity Square, Robert Mugabe Road, and the State House vicinity. Similar deployments were observed in Bulawayo, Mutare, Masvingo, where anti-riot units were seen patrolling high-density suburbs. Despite the clampdown, Gesa remains defiant. In his public statement earlier this week, he urged citizens to take to the streets to reclaim their dignity from what he described as a corrupt and indifferent regime. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ino tichiona kuti aiwa panguva ino panic yopinda Mnangagwa government wodeploya aiwa heavy armed police panguva ino ine cannons kuti vauya vachibata mademonstrators. Tudze mafungiro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Munyango section medu za mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.